Wendy, let's go. I've had this information with providers to do with my oil business. It has had little to no training. Oh, sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a common, I hate to say it, to me personally, in the last couple of weeks, you've probably been person number 12, 13, who has thrown their hands up in the air with the chat platform they've got on at the moment, and have essentially paying money, and they're too scared to turn it on, for fear of exploding. So definitely, once again, I'd recommend book in and let's review what you were attempting to achieve, and let's see if there's another opportunity for you. Yeah, Mike, would that be your recommendations?
Oh, absolutely. It's a little bit like, we can build Rome, but if no one knows where it exists and all that kind of stuff, no one's going to turn up. And I feel sorry for, those that have, let's say, got something implemented by whoever it is, and they just drop it in there and say, off and running. Catch you later. What people have got to understand here is, when we're going back and building this database, your database is going to be the most core intangible asset of your business. Okay, these are people who have actually spoken with you. So with that comes value. And an example could be a restaurateur, or let's say a therapist, and they've got all these people sitting in their messenger list, and you come out and you go, right, well, I can extract that list now, drop it into Facebook ads, and send a sponsored message to each of those people with, let's say, an offer or an invitation or something like that. It's better than getting on the phone. It's better than using email, because your open rates are so low now, and most of that stuff goes to junk mail anyway. Whereas your engagements are going to be much higher by using a Facebook ad strategy in a messenger.